Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Introduction to print-on-demand industry. In today's video, we're going to learn how you can start a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand is a low-risk, simple way to start a hugely profitable business with no inventory. Whether you're an artist, writer, designer, or entrepreneur, physical products can be a great way to monetize your creativity. Starting a print-on-demand business can be a rewarding venture if approached strategically. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. What is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand is a way to sell apparel and custom printed items that allows you to automatically send your orders to a company that will print, package, and ship the orders for you. This allows you to sell your items online without buying upfront inventory, without printing the t-shirts or apparel yourself, and without shipping the items yourself. It's all done for you. Even better, most print-on-demand companies will work with you completely free. There's no cost to use them other than what you pay for the items and shipping as you make sales. You can sell almost anything with print-on-demand, from t-shirts to mugs to skateboards to curtains, blankets, phone cases. I could go on and on. There's literally hundreds of items that you can sell with print-on-demand. Now that you know a little bit about print-on-demand, you're probably thinking, how do I find these print-on-demand companies? And it's actually a lot easier than you think. I recommend our tool called Shopfunnels. Create your own high-converting e-com store in just a few clicks and sell anything, anywhere. Create an e-com store for any niche you want. Fashion, beauty, electronics, pet accessories, health products, decor and lighting, DIY products, and more. Supports all prominent payment gateways, supports all prominent CRMs and autoresponders. Plus, you have lists of plugins you get free with Shopfunnels. Easy to use, drag and drop designer, no complex DNS setup required, no hosting hassles. Save time with 100 plus ready-made templates, customizable customers area, create multiple funnels on one domain. Save money with inbuilt email autoresponder, DDoS save, run your e-com store on your blog or site, and a lot more. When to use print-on-demand. Depending on your purpose, you can use print-on-demand services in a few different ways. You can use it to test a business idea without fronting money for inventory. You can test a new product line for an existing business, again, without holding any inventory at all. And you can use it to monetize an audience you've already built. Printing on demand is also a great option if you're an artist or an influencer, but you'd rather focus on doing what you love rather than fulfilling orders. It's also a great business model to create original products for a niche of customers. So for example, you can create apparel for people who are passionate about gaming. How to design products when you're not a designer. You don't need to be a full-time designer to have a successful print-on-demand business. In the best case scenario, you have a designer friend that you can work well with. But if you don't, that's what outsourcing is for. You can find designers to work with on Behance, 99 Designs, or other freelance sites who can produce designs as long as you provide clear instructions. Here's how you can add clarity and context for a design project. You'll want to begin by sharing insight into your audience. Tell your designer what it's for and who your audience is. Showing them your website will help give more context, and make sure that you're clearly explaining what it is that you want. You'll have time to explain this in your initial introduction and through revisions. By the way, you're going to want to include 1 or 2 revisions in the scope of the project, and be clear by over-communicating what it is that you're looking for and provide guidelines. And finally, give examples of inspiration. It helps to show them a reference to base the design on or point to other works that you like. When working with designers, you should specify that your design is for printing. So this tells them that it should ideally be 300 digital pixels per inch and have a transparent background. The designer will know how to properly prepare these artworks files for print, so you won't have to worry about that. Note that the print file specifications will change depending on the printer and the printing technique used. So when in doubt, send the designer the print specs for this specific product and any printing guidelines so that they understand the context. The designs you upload should be large enough for the printing area of the actual product. Keep in mind that resizing a smaller image to make it bigger will result in a loss of quality, so you want to avoid doing that. And if you want to crack at designing, don't have access to Photoshop, try using Pixie or Pixlr for free. Design, test, sell, and grow. Print-on-demand services offer an accessible source of inventory for new entrepreneurs or for anyone who just wants to test out an idea before they invest in it. If one of your online business ideas pans out and you start to generate a meaningful number of sales, you can always graduate from using a print-on-demand site to holding your own inventory. So that should give you a pretty good head start and some insight into print-on-demand. As you can see, print-on-demand is an incredible opportunity to start an online business and to make money online in general. Let me know in the comments what you plan to use print on demand for. I'm excited to see all of your creative ideas.
Before we end this video, start your e-com store in 10 minutes flat. Create your own high-converting e-com store in just a few clicks and sell anything, anywhere. Hundreds of ready-made plug-and-play templates. Easy to use, no-code e-com store builder. Dozens of payment gateways from around the world. Sell anywhere without restrictions. No profit sharing or charges per order. Create breathtaking sale pages for your products. Powerful analytics inbuilt, and a lot more. Shopfunnels is all you need to set up your e-com store. So what are you waiting for? Get Shopfunnels now. Just go to getshopfunnels.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.